Hello guys, welcome to Edenville, the room in a hotel named Summit Bougainvillea at Kurseong. So as we enter the room, we can see a big bed with a very heritage English pattern looking bed, and opposite to that there is a small study desk overlooking the mountain, and also there is a small balcony and a lovely view, and also they have kept a two-seater tea table from where you can sit and enjoy the lovely mountain view along with a cup of tea. The room here is very well decorated with lot of space inside, and there is a two-seater tea table or coffee table inside in the room as well, along with a big glass window from where you can enjoy the 180-degree mountain view. As you can see, they have kept a good small hanger type furniture where you can keep your luggage and as well as hang your clothes. Now let's check out the washroom. So the way they have decorated the room and placed the furnitures in the room, the bathroom is not that well decorated, and there is a problem in the bathroom. What I can see here is the ventilation of the bathroom is actually in the room, and that's a problem I see or I feel. But otherwise the size of the washroom is not that much adequate, but everything is there as required. But overall I would say it's a good room. So now I'm going to show you the view from the window, which is absolutely opposite to the bed and front of the study desk. Though it's a night view, I hope you will understand what view we are actually getting. So this is the morning view from that same window, and this is the view from the balcony which I just showed earlier with the room. Now let's move to the other room that's named Tum Sung or Tum Sung maybe.
Welcome to the other room.
So this is the second room in which we have checked in. Like that was our parents' room, and this is where we have checked in. As you can see, the room size compared to the other one is very small and very claustrophobic as well. As this was a impromptu plan, if you go through the other vlog just before this particular upload, you will be able to understand this plan became sudden.
We were actually supposed to stay at Siliguri and travel tomorrow for our final destination, which is Darjeeling. As we were running fast in the time, we decided to come a bit uphill, and so we selected this property at Kurseong. And I'll just show you the washroom as well.
It is also a small one, but in terms of room size, it is quite big enough compared to other room. And it has also got a small balcony with the room. And yes, there is a tea table here as well in the balcony. Since this was an impromptu plan, we decided to take this room because there was no other rooms left as well. This property was fully booked, and also when we called up this property, it was already late. It was around 6:37 while we were coming up to Kurseong. So we decided to adjust for the night, that is not even for 12 hours. This is how the property looks at night. Along with this beautiful ambience, they have also added a background music which is playing all through in the property.
This is the outside view, and the parking facility is not there, so we have to keep the car outside. But as per they say, it's safe and they have a security guard as well.
This is the morning view. You can see the clouds floating in. And this property is absolutely in between the nature. Though this property is not big enough, but the feel and ambience is very nice. You will feel very comfortable in this property.
So overall, I would rate this property 3.5 out of 5 because I'll first tell you the good parts of the property. That is, they have a good ambience. They have put up a background ambience music all through the property, where you'll be able to listen good relaxing music, piano or maybe guitar, and the rooms and the property is very well decorated. But there's one point where this property lacks in is the maintenance. So the rooms room that my parents is staying, that's a suite room which is very well placed with a very good balcony, a bigger size of balcony, and the room which we have got is a very small room which is very claustrophobic, and as well as the room's maintenance is not that up to the mark. So I would say the overall staying experience, if you stay at the bigger room, you'll be feeling good. But if you stay in a small room, you won't be able to feel that much of comfort. I would say the stay is kind of average. And next, coming to the part of food, we just had the breakfast because last night dinner we just had it just opposite to the hotel. There is a small shack type of restaurant like we always see in the hilly areas. We wanted to try some local food, so we had thupka, Maggi, momo in that particular joint. So we didn't have any dinner food here. So I cannot pass a remark on that basis, but obviously for breakfast the food was pretty decent. They'll give you a menu from where you have to order. They'll prepare it fresh. So the food was decent, but otherwise the stay is average. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please stay with us and do subscribe the channel. Thank you.